Hi all, in this video we will try to understand the meaning of Shravana nakshatra. What is the meaning basically? Shravana is a Sanskrit term, so it needs some explanation, right, to understand the word. So by meaning you can understand the energy of this particular nakshatra also to an extent, but we will make separate videos on what kind of energy Shravana nakshatra has and all the stuff. So basically Shravana is in the sign of Capricorn, especially in the structure of that eagle. That eagle is called as the Aquila. Consists of three bright stars, and these three bright stars are usually in our Vedic Puranic stories considered as the three steps of Vishnu in the avatar of Vamana. Now, Shravana translates into two very unrelated terms if you go very deeper, because every Sanskrit term has different meanings, but if you try to understand the very significant meanings of this particular word according to the energy of this nakshatra, so one is the hearing, right? Shravana means hearing, and the other meaning is the one who limps. The one who limps is the second meaning. So the limping meaning is an obvious reference to Vishnu's three steps here, of course, right? So that Vamana story, anyways, we'll talk about that story in some other video, the Vamana avatar story of Lord Vishnu. So what is their hearing? Hearing, as we can clearly see, it forms the crux of what this particular nakshatra is all about. It is all about hearing, right? The hearing you're thinking is a hearing in the physical plane, but it can be in the spiritual plane also. It can be in the universal level also, right? So we'll talk about that anyways in some other video, but here the meaning is this one. So the one who limps, and also the hearing, concept of hearing is coming here, right? So, and there is another meaning for Shravana, that is ashwattha. Ashwattha is basically a people tree, right? A sacred people tree, we say, because people tree has got a lot of importance in the Vedic culture. So in Vedic texts also, this tree is always given extraordinary significance. So it is very much important here to mention one more thing here, one more thing also, that is Buddha received enlightenment meditating under this tree, right? So people tree is very much significant. So the meaning of Shravana is hearing, and also the one who limps. And another meaning is ashwattha. Ashwattha vriksha means the people tree, and people tree is it has a lot of spiritual meaning. Just imagine the hearing concept here is not on the physical plane. Of course, to an extent it's on physical plane, on the earthly plane also, because it purely in the earthly sign, but we will think in terms of spirituality also, right? So what kind of energy Shravana has, we will make in some other video, but this is the meaning. So Buddha got his enlightenment under meditating under this particular people tree. That is also one significant thing we can mention here. Thanks for watching this video.